So, what 7 investments do the wealthy avoid? Number 5. The wealthy avoid digital currencies. In the past few years, all anyone has talked about was Bitcoin and other popular cryptocurrencies, but this type of investment tends to be avoided by wealthy folks. We would be lying if we said there were no people who made millions investing in cryptocurrencies, but they are few and far between. The primary problem is that digital currencies don't have any government regulation and investors can't verify where the behind the scenes are operating. This makes most people very nervous. Another problem with cryptocurrencies is that they have no underlying value. This puts their price mostly on speculation, which makes them more comparable to penny stocks and doesn't provide a lot of stability. When hype is high, the supply of coins will increase, and when hype cools off, the price drops to almost nothing. Also, digital currencies are at risk of hacking, so you always have that to worry about. There are a lot of elements to cryptocurrency that make it different from other investments, like the fact that they don't provide the same amount of income through investment properties and dividend shares. It's not hard to see why wealthy individuals don't often use digital assets as their primary investment vehicle. So keep Bitcoin as a hobby and let other assets do the heavy lifting for your wealth. In the next video, I discuss another investment type that the wealthy avoid, that the average person regrettably all too often still does. You don't want to miss that. So keep accelerating your financial journey and watch this video. I'll see you over there.